Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss practical number 10. So, the practical number 10 worksheet is given here. As usual, you want to enter this worksheet in your Excel worksheet. So, thereafter, you can set the column as your wish. So, then you want to calculate the total. Total is equal to test average and the plus project marks. Okay, so first we'll calculate the total. So here total is equal test average plus project. Then the fourth question is something new for you. So using if statement, find the final grade of the students. If total is greater than 60, final grade is pass, otherwise fail. So in the if statement there are three parts. One is the statement. So the statement mean, so the given value, the logical test, that mean the given value is greater than or less than or equal or whatever the condition will be given there. So after that, the next part, if it's true, what they want to do. Then the following part is if is it false, what they want to do. So here the condition is true mean it's want to display pass, otherwise it's want to display fail. So we'll see. So equal if. So now the logical test part. So logical test part mean the given value is greater than 60. Then you want to give the string value within double quotation pass. So if is it true, pass. Then already highlighted here the false value. So false value is fail. So the given logical condition is true mean, so it's want to print pass, otherwise fail. Now we'll see. So here the D4 the given total value is 79.1. So that's mean that is true. Then it's want to display as pass. So it's okay. So just drag and drop, it will be displayed like this. Okay. So then fifth one, find the performance of each students. If the project marks is less than 6, performance is poor, otherwise okay. So we want to check with the project marks. So project marks is less than 6, poor, otherwise okay. So performance if logical test project value less than 6, then true value, poor. If is it less than 6, poor. It may be greater than 6, then okay. Close, enter. So those you are getting less than 6, they will automatically display with the poor. Those you are getting greater than 6, they are displaying with okay. So sixth question, calculate the class average, highest marks, lowest marks and count of the student. So here that's also easily you can calculate. So class average is equal average, then value range, then highest, max, then lowest, min and number of student count. Those part you can easily complete. So then the following three questions also we have several times discussed. So headers and footers you want to include. So finally you want to set your worksheet as a horizontally vertically center on your page. So like this way you can complete the practical number 10.